My friend Andrew made this game called Tadpole Tales. It's on stream for free. Go download it. I stream working on my game on Twitch, so you can check that out. Hey guys, it's Manaki. Welcome to my next devlog. Okay, so in this devlog, I'm just gonna work on the dirt area there, and I'll fix that grass lag hopefully. Okay, so I tried removing the animations and stuff. So I found out that animation is the actual lag cause, but I could use shader for the grass, but I think this trample mechanic will be hard to do on shader. So I just reduced the number of objects. There were like 2000 objects after I deleted a lot of grass objects left. So I think originally there were like 6000 grass objects. So right now I just sprinkled a few bunch, like sparsely scattered instead of like in the bunches that it was, because like look at this. This is grass texture. I don't need to spam grass. Okay, so yeah, that seems to have done the job for now. I mean, if there is some better way to do the grass, or I found something, then I'll change it. Or at the end, I can always just use shaders for that. So yeah. Anyways, now let's work on the this area. You can go now. So we did all the work on the port area. We did all this port stuff, but this let's say, yeah, it needs a bit of work before it makes the transition to the, what do you say, town. So yeah, I shall work on this. Okay, Yamete. Okay, so I did the path, and this is what it looks like. The positions of trees and stuff is, yeah, it's not very dense. It does not look like forest, but I can fix that. So what do you think? Write it in the comment section. Do you like the path? The sun went down again. Great. Anyway, subscribe, like, share, hug, sub, tag, well, I don't know. See you in the next day vlog. Bye bye.